Okay, so beautiful profits on the day. This is gonna be a little trade recap on January 9th. So very nice trade, very nice profits. Now let's throw some time back and let's give you a little recap. So overall, looking at the 1 hour time frame, I was very obvious buy sides wanted to get taken. So that's what I was waiting for all day. I was very, very, very bullish, which in fact did actually end up happening. So I'm a sniper, as they like to call it. I had an SMT from here with the ES and the Nasdaq. Also looking at price, we also had this fair value gap. This is all on the 15 SMT, very beautiful. Mark that out. SMT fair value gap on NAS ES. Then coming down to the 1 minute time frame, first thing I saw was we had this manipulation leg over here. So that was very, very attractive for me to be looking at. But once I saw price like this, I was like, okay, well, this would actually be kind of a better manipulation leg. Now, yes, it's small, but at the same time, size doesn't matter, right? Then we had an inversion for value gap right over here. Mark that out. Market structure shift right at these highs. Entered on the first like real candle. So right over here, I would say it was about more in the middle. I would say I took this entry. So stop loss went right at these lows, and I literally targeted a 1-to-1. So I was out right at the next candle. So that was beautiful. It was quite of a lower RR trade, yes, because this was just a very quick move. I didn't want to take the chance of missing the trade, so I'm very happy I took it. Went to break even quite early because we did confirm the market structure shift. But overall, guys, this was a very beautiful trade. Now, when we hit this -1, I kind of wanted to stay in, but at the same time, I didn't like that wick. The second I saw that wick, I wasn't crazy about it. So I ended up getting out right on this first candle. See, look at these multiple wicks. This is just showing that sellers are very much in control in this area. And that ended up having price get pushed lower. So very happy. I ended up getting out. And just to show proof, markets did actually end up taking out that buy side liquidity that I was hoping for. So guys, that was the trade for today. Very nice profits. I can't even lie. Yeah. Other than that, guys, if you want to see more gaps like this, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe. And guys, if you want to learn how I trade and trade with me live, I have a link down below for my mentorship. Free of charge. Well, technically, because there is a 1 day free trial. So I could say that. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And that is the recap. Peace.